telephone. Who's calling you may never know. But ring, ring goes your telephone. Ring, ring goes your telephone. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the neighborhood. Oh, don't you know when you say hello, you make the world feel oh so good.
How does RingtoneFeeder work? Well, go to ringtonefeeder.com, follow the instructions, and then you're transferred to PayPal to complete the transaction. You get a username and password, you click on the link, and iTunes opens up, and ringtones come automatically. For more details or even try a free demo, visit www.ringtonefeeder.com. And now you can find our ringtones directly on your iPhone. Just search for RingtoneFeeder on the iPhone iTunes app.